To graph the equation of minus x plus 2y equals 6, we are going to use the x and y intercepts of the line. The x-intercept of a line is the point where the line crosses the x-axis, and it has a y-coordinate of 0. On the other hand, the y-intercept of a line is the point where the line crosses the y-axis, and it has an x-coordinate of 0. First, let's find the x-intercept. At the x-intercept, y is 0. So, let's substitute 0 for y, and solve the equation for x. The equation can be simplified to minus x equals 6. Then, let's divide both sides by minus 1. So, when y is 0, x is minus 6. This tells us that the line has an x-intercept of minus 6, 0, where the line crosses the x-axis. Next, let's find the y-intercept. At the y-intercept, x is 0. So, let's substitute 0 for x, and solve the equation for y. The equation can be simplified to 2y equals 6. Then, let's divide both sides by 2. So, when x is 0, y is 3. This tells us that the line has a y-intercept of 0, 3, where the line crosses the y-axis. To ensure the accuracy of the line, let's find another point the line passes through. For example, let's find the value of x when y is 1. To solve the equation for x, let's subtract 2 from both sides. Then, let's divide both sides by minus 1. So, when y is 1, x is minus 4. This tells us that the line of the equation passes through the point minus 4, 1. Now, we can see that these 3 points line up. So, let's draw a line through these points and put arrows on both ends of the line. And this is the line of minus x plus 2y equals 6.